Okay, casting on. You know why we're here. Let's go ahead and do the thing. So what we're gonna do is we've got about 30 inches of tail yarn here, and we're gonna wrap that yarn around our 2 fingers and slip a little bit of the yarn through that wrap. And now we have a loop. And then we're gonna put that loop right here on the right needle in our right hand. Okay, you're gonna take your left hand and you're gonna wrap your last 3 fingers around the 2 tails here, around the 2 strands of yarn. And then you're going to take your pointer and thumb and put them in between the strands of yarn. And now we're going to pull down, and we have basically a V, a slingshot, if you will. So we have what looks like a slingshot. Then what we're going to do is we're going to form a stitch. Take our right needle and we're going to draw it up the thumb and down the pointer, grabbing that yarn and pulling it through the 2 strands that are wrapped around the thumb. Then we're going to, it helps to turn the hand a little bit in this activity. Then we're going to gently let the loop off of our thumb and pull that yarn just tight enough to meet the width of the needle. Okay, let's try that again. So we are gonna reposition our hand. We wanna keep our right hand fairly close to our left hand. We're gonna draw the needle up the thumb, down the pointer, grabbing that yarn, and then I'm going to let the loop off of my thumb and pull until it meets the needle. And what you'll see is we've got a little bit of a bar here at the bottom of the stitch, and we have 3 loops on our needle. Those are stitches. Good job, you did it. Okay, so you're gonna do that again. Draw the needle up the thumb, down the pointer, through the loop, and then off. Keep going. Just keep going.